So, so, what the fuck is so funny? I don't get it. So you think, dude, your reign is over. I mean, it is funny because you was the idiot that thought you had a legacy of some kind. I don't know, bro. Like you was the first one to do what you did. Go on Twitter. You have everybody on Twitter following you. Everybody on Twitter following you. Everyone. In secret. In the open. At one time or another, every account of Twitter has glimpsed at something you said. Think you won't get big-headed? I dare you try. Oh, man. Yeah, I got a job today. Supposed to do something. Oh yeah. Crack these clips of sour and roll it up with the fucking blunt. A little too late now, right? Because I rolled up upstairs, that's why. Trying to get a little workout in. Yeah, whatever. They was gonna do a shape up this morning. I said, nah. Nah. Bitch, start focusing on all the irrelevant. Not a bitch I want. Damn right. Business niggas try to do that too. But here's the shit, right? My nigga, it ain't the niggas in the suit and the tie that I really give two fucks about. Cause them niggas been rich and they ain't doing shit for niggas that ain't got it. You understand what I'm saying? So I'm not dressing their part to do my part. I'm gonna do my part while dressing how I deem necessary. You understand? That's all there is to it. I put on that suit, it does not, you understand, it doesn't feng shui for me the way it should, because every time I do that shit, I see casket. You understand? Because all I'm going to do is be beheading fucking business niggas. There is no win against me in the realm of business. There is absolutely no fucking win. There is none. You can't beat me. So be happy that I'm doing it dressed as a slum bum, if that's what you want to call it. Looking like a nigga that bum a cigarette off you. Looks can be deceiving, now can it? Prosper the lottery. When I was making the backdrop, I had no idea it was for this. But one day I did this, and then when I paid attention to it, I realized I have a sexy backdrop. You understand? Like a little background for recordings that's always bellowing through the hills from the top of the mountain. You understand? It's always loud. always screaming, always right to the point, even while I'm in complete silence. There goes the voice of God. Man, I don't want to go. I fucking hate that shit. I want nothing to do with this shit. Then you go and you meet someone who 2 weeks later, now you have $60,000 a year job, doing less work than you was doing at the other place, but you're getting paid crazy because now you're getting paid for what you have a gift in. And just think, that meeting occurred because you went someplace you didn't want to go. But then you're going to look around and you're going to realize you love where you are. Just like how I fell in love with New York, but the Bronx of New York. I fell in love with Bronx, New York, right? In New York City, people ain't going to lie to you. Unless they're trying to con you. But other than that, if the nigga is a real dude, he's going to be real, period. You understand? But the phony is so readable. You could read a phony nigga right away. Like, just because you come from New York. You understand? You go to public schools, you're interacting with an entire society of the world right here in New York City. But yeah, if you come up anywhere, you're going to say that about your town. So it's not that this is better than that, but the truth is, it is the financial capital of the world. That is a truth. That's a fact. I mean, China is about to, try to New York it, but think of how small New York is and how big and vast China is. Right? Yeah. So it goes on the quality thing. Banks of China not going like that. Don't matter. The triads love me, bitch. It don't matter. It don't matter. Gaddafi loved me too, nigga, so it doesn't matter. See, that's the point. I think I could have got Osama to just give up. No, deadass sign another peace treaty and just deadass be on some peaceful shit. I think. I don't have that choice and that chance anymore. But then this is how the nigga does it. Connected to his heart is a fucking detonator, right? But the detonator is to start the ticking of a thing, right? But the thing is also targeted to hit wherever that guy is. So this is what happens. The entire world knows of this shit. So every time he's there, it's nothing but peace, nigga. Because if he drops dead right there, you understand? It's kaboom. This nigga gets peace treaties signed everywhere, and now he can't go nowhere but his own isolated island. How do you know he died? Because the island gets nuked. Oh my God, he died. What happened? The fucking nuke went off. Where did he die? Right there. Fuck. Wasn't supposed to record that? Dude, what do you think they're teaching you terrorism for? It's so that you know what the fuck it's like to be terrorized. Into doing shit you don't want to do. Fuck. You're still looking at the picture this big. Nigga, look, big picture. Big picture. What the fuck you think they teach you on that for? You be good as fuck. Nigga beat the shit out of you. Nail you to a fucking cross. You fuck.